Hi, I'm here from CCV Career Services to help show you how to find College Central Network and get yourself logged in. So I'm here right now on the main page of ccv.edu, and you're going to want to come to Discover Our Resources and click Career Development. This will bring you to the main CCV Career Web Services page. You're going to want to select Access Our Tools to find all of our software programs. And then right in the middle of your screen, you'll see collegecentral.com. So we'll click that, which brings you to the main page for our Community College of Vermont account for College Central Network. You're going to click Students. And if you've already set up an account with College Central Network, you can simply go ahead and log in, putting in your user ID and the password you've made for yourself and clicking Sign In. If this is your first visit to College Central Network, you're going to need to activate your account. All CCV students are pre-registered. When you click Activate, you'll be asked for your user ID, this is your portal ID, and your email address. And for the email address, you're going to want to use whatever address you provided to CCV when you registered. So this is a personal email address. The reason for that is because you maintain access to this account after you graduate, when you may no longer have your CCV email address. So you're going to put in those two pieces of information, click Activate Account, and you'll be guided then to create a password for yourself, and you'll be taken to your homepage. Please contact CCV Career Services if you have any issues with activating your account. You can reach us at careerservices@ccv.edu. Thank you.